Why is my furnace making strange noises? If you are hearing strange noises coming from your furnace, there could be a couple of reasons why this might be happening. Air filters. Air filters prevent dust, lint, and hair from building up around the evaporator coil. If you are hearing strange noises, this could be because you are running your furnace without a filter. Alternatively, if you hear a strange whistling noise coming from your return air ducts, this could be due to a dirty air filter. Motor bearing issues. If your furnace is experiencing vibrations, squealing, and grinding noises, this could be due to a motor bearing issue and should be checked out by an HVAC professional. High heat rise. If you hear popping or banging noises coming from your furnace, this could be a sign of high heat rise. High heat rise may cause cracks and expansion within the heat exchangers, which can lead to a leak of CO if not taken care of immediately. Fan speed. Selecting the wrong furnace fan speed can also be the cause of strange noises. To keep your furnace running quietly and efficiently, make sure to schedule regular maintenance checks with an HVAC professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Appliance Helpers channel for more appliance videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.